Managing occupational health and safety. Leadership. Leadership has a significant impact on the safety of maritime operations. The effectiveness of the International Safety Management ISM Code depends heavily on how leaders approach its implementation, and this in turn depends on the skills and qualities of leaders at sea, at the ship, shore interface, and on shore.
Despite your best endeavors to work safely, sometimes real life makes things difficult. Time pressures, economic constraints, and everyday circumstances sometimes seem to conspire against good safety leadership. What counts is how leaders behave in everyday situations. Seafarers will draw inferences about safety leadership based on what they see their leaders do and hear them say, far more than what they hear in formal spoken or written communication. There are many models of leadership, and some companies run their own leadership programs. However, there are 10 core qualities that provide the foundation for safety leadership in the maritime industry. The 10 core safety leadership qualities every seafarer must know. Effective safety leadership is the foundation of a safe and efficient shipboard working environment. In the maritime industry, strong leadership directly influences operational reliability, crew welfare, and the overall safety culture on board.
Here we are highlighting 10 essential leadership qualities that every maritime leader, master, or officer must demonstrate to maintain a safe workplace.
1. Instilling respect and commanding authority. True leadership begins with earning respect. Leaders gain authority when the crew trusts their competence, clarity in communication, and willingness to act decisively. When seafarers believe their leaders understand operational demands and care for their welfare, they naturally follow their guidance. 2. Leading by example. Leaders influence safety culture by modeling correct behavior. This includes strict compliance with safety procedures, participating in tasks when required, and demonstrating that safety rules apply equally to everyone on board.
3. Using knowledge and experience. Safety leadership requires in-depth knowledge of maritime regulations, safety codes, and technical operations.
Leaders must also possess people management skills to effectively guide mixed nationality crews and make informed decisions during complex tasks.
4. Remaining calm during a crisis. Crisis situations demand clarity and calmness.
Effective leaders maintain emotional control, rely on their experience, and support their crew with confident direction.
Regular drills and safety training ensure readiness and reinforce trust in leadership. 5. Practicing tough empathy. Empathy is essential, but leaders must balance understanding with practicality.
Tough empathy means giving people what they need, not always what they want. This includes prioritizing safety and welfare, even when decisions are unpopular.
6. Cultural sensitivity. Modern ships operate with multinational crews.
Good leaders understand behavioral differences, respect cultural diversity, and promote unity by interpreting signals accurately and responding appropriately. Every seafarer should feel valued regardless of nationality. 7. Recognizing limitations. Fatigue, workload, and stress affect performance. Leaders must identify limitations in their crew, allocate work realistically, and intervene when conditions become unsafe. This prevents accidents and enhances well-being. 8. Motivating a sense of community. Strong safety cultures thrive on teamwork. Leaders motivate crew members by creating an environment where they feel proud of their work, respected, and part of a close-knit team. Meeting basic needs and acknowledging effort increases morale and safety awareness. 9. Prioritizing safety above everything. Nothing we do is worth getting hurt for. Effective leaders demonstrate through actions, not just words, that crew and passenger safety is always the top priority. This consistent behavior strengthens trust and sets the standard for the entire vessel.
10. Clear and open communication. Communication is the backbone of safety. Leaders must encourage two-way communication, be approachable, and remain open to criticism. This helps identify hazards early and improves cooperation across all ranks. By adopting these 10 leadership qualities, maritime professionals build a resilient safety culture, reduce incidents, and ensure every seafarer and/or workers returns home safely.